Hello, Mr. Braggs. Oh, I'm doing okay. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1544, State versus Francel Braggs. Could I have the parties announce?
Opinion for the state of Texas.
Good afternoon, Judge Alfonso Cabañas from Mr. Braggs, who's present.
And are you Mr. Braggs?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and State's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Francel Braggs who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 1544 for the offense of possession of controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on June 11, 2024 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Your Honor, off the state's original motion to revoke violation condition number 1. Motion to supplement.
Any objection to the waivers?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could, just 1 second. All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, that is to grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's community supervision, and sentence the defendant to 2 years state jail.
Off the record for a moment. All right. And we'll make sure the judgment is corrected.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to grant the motion and revoke. Are you asking the court to follow the agreement that's been reached between you and the state? Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court then will revoke, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community, because I see that's what the court had recommended as a part of his conditions, that he do some type of sober support. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Because this is because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right. I'm requesting the therapeutic community. I do not have the authority to have them place you in that program. You will need to ask them to place you in the program as well, but the judgment will show that that's a recommendation for the court. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, one.
Okay.
All right, you too.
Copy of dismissal.
Sorry, Judge Mike, I honestly was taking a long time to.
Oh, that's okay. But if you could make sure that judgment is corrected.
We will.
All right, thank you. And there was a plea of truth to the enhancements.
Are you ready for the next?
I am.
It is Pearson.
It is 2025 CR 008654.
Thank you.
All right, so in this one, we just need a jury trial date, correct?
That's correct, Judge.
All right, how long do y'all expect the trial to last?
4 or 5 days.
All right, Norm, I need a trial date, family violence, 4 to 5 days.
April 28th.
April 28th.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, your jury trial date will be April 28th. All right, who's the next one?
No, no.
Okay,
Who's next?
Jonathan Rodriguez, I do not have the page yet. Is it on the board? Do you have another bottom? Okay, all right, thank you. Take care.
Jonathan Rodriguez.
Judge, I think he's the one who was via Zoom.
All right, let me see. I don't have him on Zoom,
Okay.
but I have down that he was supposed to be by Zoom. I think he was here this morning.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what is happening with that case?
Judge, I think there is a plea offer at the last court sitting. I spoke to my client.
Mhm.
I think we should just keep it on the trial docket.
All right, Miss Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. How long do you expect this to last, counsel? Jury trial date. How long do you expect this to last? May 5th, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that will be the jury trial date for that, and you'll let your client know? All
Yes, Your Honor.
right, thank you. All right, who's next?
Julian Tejo.
Julian Tejo?
He's present, Judge.
All right, if you'll come forward, I have the page number, it's on 4. All right, on this case, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I believe I have everything that the state has tendered. They also tendered a plea agreement. My client and I discussed it, and he wants some time to think about it.
Mhm.
So we're asking for one more, I guess, pre-trial.
All right, sir, how old are you?
34.
All right, Norm, if you can set this for 3 weeks for a plea deadline date, March 19th, council.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see you back on March 19th. At that time, you'll need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next court date will be a jury trial date.
Okay, thank you so
All
much.
right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Be in touch.
All right, who's next? Yes, Alfonso, is your client leaving without signing? No, will you let them know that the paperwork has been submitted? The paperwork has been submitted.
I'll let Yaya know.
All right, thank you.
Yes, and I think Mr. Jose Rocha might be logged in.
Yes, he's on. All right, you two, thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, so we only have, I think, about 2 people left. So from page 1, yes, Fernando Rodriguez. From page 3, we have John Garza, and we have Torres. I'm sorry, page 5, Torres and John Garza. All right, we will take care of that. And then we just have Galindo.
Galindo with Cabanas.
Yeah.
That's the one where Mike Furion.
Can you talk with Ms. Ferguson about Galindo? The state's attorney is unable to be here.
Okay.
Galindo. Right?
Oh, that's right. Yes.
Yes, he was here this morning, but Bashan's gonna relay the message of wherever happens.
Yeah, I talked to Rashawn about it. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
So y'all just tell me what date you wanted to come back.
Oh, Judge, we weren't gonna come back.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you ready?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, let me try to get your client to the main room. Mr. Rocha, are you able to go back to room number 1 and have your client come to the main session?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sure I can. Let me try it.
All right, thank you.
I just tell you the corner miles.
Oh, yeah. Hi, how's it going? Yes.
ask them.
Hello? Hello?
All right, hello, just give us a moment. Your attorney is coming back into this room.
Okay, yes, I heard him and then it went over here.
Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 015168, State versus Rosalind Torres. Can I have parties announced?
Jose Rocha from Store is ready, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Torres?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Torres, you have a right to appear in person. Did you review the document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
And Attorney Rocha, did you electronically sign it as well?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily consented to appear by video conference. Ms. Torres, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
Ms. Torres, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with fraudulent use of possession of identifying information less than 5 items as a state jail felony?
Yes.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you, or just the state will be silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
You broke out. I'm sorry.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court grants your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication is revoked, the court can find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do believe so.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Torres, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine probated. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 36626, 2025 AL 012439, and there's to be restitution payable in the instant case to the complainants. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
state?
It is the police judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution. There's to be no contact with Alexis Smith, the felony theft course in MRT. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Judge, you have to take Exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
All right, so the first question I have with regards to restitution, from reading through it, it appears that the check wasn't, no funds were given in exchange for the check.
I thought I read that they were.
I could be reading it incorrectly, but what it says is they placed there was a stop payment on the check. Because it said attempted to cash a fraudulent check. All right, I see where it says, counsel in the notes, I see where it says, not in the notes, but in the police report, it says that it had been cashed at one of their locations. And then the company, once they gave funds to your client, then that company sent the check to the bank. And then the bank said, stop payment for it. So the people who are owed the money is the PLS check cashers of Texas, PLS check cashers of Texas, Inc. And I'm just trying to find the specific amount. Okay, you say 1509.
1509.
All right, counsel, are you in agreement that the restitution that's owed is $1,509.59?
Yes, Your Honor, that was our understanding. We were, when we were discussing this matter, because of the controversy that we're discussing right now, it was the understanding of the district attorney's office that the restitution amount was to be determined after today. However, yes, that we do agree with that.
All right, so just give me a moment. This is what the court will do. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment. When are you due?
In it's supposed to be March 31st, but I'm already dieted, so it's like it's a gamble.
All right, so it's going to proof of employment within 90 days of medical release.
Okay. And then I have a question. I do work for home care providing, so I don't know,
I
is
don't
that
allow-
gonna reflect on my work? Because that's the only job that is helpful that's the only job that works with me. I have 7, I'm about to have 8. So that's the only one that is more compatible with my hourly and stuff on picking them up. Like that's the only boss that I can find that's understanding.
Well, this is what I can tell you. I don't allow people in my court to work as home healthcare provider. The only exception I will even give to allow that is if there is a letter from the employer that states that they know what you're charged with, and whomever you're caring for, they have to provide a letter saying that they know what you're charged with.
Okay.
So there's the restitution to PLS check cashers of Texas, Inc. and the amount of $1,509.59. Take into consideration 2025 PF 36626, 2025 AL 0124339, 100 hours of community service restitution. So 100 hours community service restitution. I'm already parenting. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Alexis, Alexis, and I'll order all right, does she need the felony theft course? All right, felony theft course. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? It is P as in Paul, L as in Lane, S as in Stephanie, check cashers of Texas, INC. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? Do you need anything else from the court?
Your Honor, just for clarification purposes, will the 90 days also apply for all the other requirements for probation after she's been discharged? I just don't want to make sure that she's not set up to fail.
What she'll need to do, she'll need to provide a medical documentation from probation if she's not able to do this. And I will tell you, in this court, probation is understanding. They know she's about to give birth. And if there's an issue, counsel, you can come in and discuss it with the court.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I just wanted to make sure that she understood that and we were clear on that end.
And then Vashon, she's only allowed to work with home health care, and I'll only consider it if she provides documentation from her employer that they are aware of this charge, and for whomever she's providing the services to. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand and electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. All right, in this court, communication is key when you're on probation. Let probation know if there's an issue.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm going to send you and your attorney to breakout room number 2. Probation will come in that room and speak with you.
Okay, thank you.